Welcome to Health City Cayman Islands, where it's our mission to deliver world-class healthcare that is both accessible and affordable. From the time you decide to travel to Grand Cayman for treatment, we have a dedicated international patient care team who will coordinate all of your travel needs, from passports to travel arrangements to accommodations and doctor's appointments. When you land in the Cayman Islands, we offer full concierge treatment. A Cayman Islands Airports Authority customer service representative will be waiting to escort you through immigration and customs. When you're finished at the airport, one of our Health City drivers will be waiting for you to transport you to the hospital located in the scenic and tranquil district of East End. The minute you arrive at Health City, your international patient care representative will be waiting for you with a smile and will assist you in checking you into our 104-bed state-of-the-art facility. Our team is dedicated to a culture of care because we know it's all about the total patient experience. Therefore, we strive towards exceeding the expectations of our patients and their loved ones. Our hospital was built in a T-shape to ensure all the rooms have windows so that patients always have access to natural light. Studies have shown that exposure to natural light helps in our patients' recovery and well-being. At Health City, we also have a deep organizational commitment to superior outcomes. Our physicians and surgeons are highly skilled with several years of specialized medical experience. Our readmission rate is 2.8%, our surgical infection rate is less than 1.3%, and our elective procedure mortality rate is 0. We also achieved our gold seal of approval from JCI just a year after we started operations. After your procedure is over, you have the option of recovering at Parrot Ridge. This peaceful apartment community located next to the hospital is the perfect place to recharge as you enjoy the breathtaking views and make use of all the amenities, which include a fully equipped kitchen and washer and dryer. And you can spend the day relaxing by the freshwater pool. When it's time to return home, you won't have any surprises with your hospital bill, since we offer bundle pricing that provides patients with an upfront flat rate fee for every procedure and associated service. So there are no hidden fees or extra charges, and all of our prices are in US dollars. Our international patient care team will also follow up with you to confirm continued care, recovery, and rehabilitation. If you're looking for a hospital that is dedicated to quality, innovation, and affordability, you can start your journey to healing with us.